Injection molding has its own language. Here are 25 terms every buyer should know, explained simply, grouped by what they actually mean. Start with the geometry. The cavity is the female side of the mold. It forms the outside of your part. The core is the male side. Where the two halves meet, you get the parting line. The mold base is the steel block everything sits in, and ejector pins push the finished part out when the mold opens. Then the flow path. The sprue is where plastic enters the mold from the machine. The runner carries it through the mold body. The gate is the small opening where plastic enters the cavity itself. Hot runners keep that plastic molten. Cold runners let it solidify and get trimmed off. Vents are tiny channels that allow for air to escape and assist with cooling, improving production speed and preventing burn marks. Design features come next. Draft is a slight taper that lets the part release cleanly from the steel. Undercuts are geometry that would lock the part in the mold. They're handled with sliders or lifters, which are extra mechanisms that move during the cycle. Then the economics. Cycle time is how long one shot takes from close to eject. Shot size is the volume of plastic injected per cycle. Residence time is how long material sits in the barrel. Tonnage and clamping force are the machine specs, how hard the press can hold the mold shut. Finally, the strategy terms. A single cavity mold makes one part per shot. A multi-cavity mold makes many. A family mold makes several different parts together. And then there are the cost trap terms: pocket mold, insert mold, mud insert, or compression mold sold as injection molds, which rarely scale to real production. Know what each means before you sign a quote. We look forward to discussing your project with you and building success together.